Hi there. You're looking at my key and my key fob from my 2010 Toyota Camry, and the open and close button on this key fob is only working intermittently now, and that's a good sign that the battery is starting to wear out. So today I'm going to share with you how to change the battery on one of these key fobs. So your first step is just to separate the key fob from your key, and there's that little key ring there that just splits, and turn that around until you've separated your key from your key fob. And then at the top of the key fob, then there's a little channel, and just get a small coin and put that in that little channel like that, and turn it clockwise, and there you go. That's opened up the key fob, and you can see the big battery there in the middle. And I like to get something that's sort of non-metallic, and such as this wooden pencil, and use that to carefully prise out the old battery. Yep. And if I turn that over, hopefully you can see there on the back of the battery it says CR2032, which is the battery type, and it's a lithium battery. So all you need to do is get the matching battery to replace it, and I happen to have some lithium CR2032 here. So it's just a matter then of popping out a new battery. Yep. And remember that the writing side was down, and then the side with the little dots on it was up. So you need to get your battery in the correct way around, and just sort of carefully push that back into place, and there we go. The battery has been replaced. Simple as that. And then it's just a matter of putting it all back together. Put the key fob back together, line it all up properly, and push it, and it clicks. It's all back in place, and it's clicked. And then just reattach the key to the key fob by splitting the key ring and spinning it round, and there it is, all back together. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.